Lilac Chaste tree, also known as Vitex agnus castus, provides a dramatic flower display at a time when spring flowering plants have faded and prior to most of the summer flowering shrubs. In fact, it has the potential for reblooming in the heat of summer. The overall growth habit and twisted, multi-stem trunk lend an aged look to the landscape, similar to that of ancient olive trees of Italy or of old established grapevines. Lilac chaste tree makes a great plant for the zones 7 to 10, tolerating a minimum temperature above 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This plant might be found in an older established garden where it performs very well in a dry, exposed, sunny spot. A loose, sandy soil is quite suitable. A fresh layer of mulch is always helpful to avoid extremes of temperature and moisture levels. The foliage actually adds much to the character and ornamental value of this plant, with opposite palmately compound leaves with 5 to 7 leaflets per leaf. The lilac chaste tree grows into a wide-spreading tall shrub or small tree of 10 to 15 feet in height and spread. The gray-green foliage and blue flowers combine to add a unique focal point to the landscape.